In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new list to your Trello board. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and managing projects, and knowing how to add lists is crucial for maintaining an effective workflow. Let's get started with the basics and make sure we're all on the same page. First, you'll need to head over to Trello.com. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're there, the next step is logging in. You'll see a login button on the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you're anything like me and are juggling multiple accounts, Trello gives you the convenience of logging in with either your email or your Google account. Choose whichever is more convenient for you and log in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Trello homepage. From there, navigate to the boards section. This is where you'll see all the boards you have access to. You might have a single board or several, depending on how you're using Trello. Next, click on your workspaces. This will show the different workspaces you're a part of. Workspaces are great for keeping your boards organized if you're managing multiple projects or collaborating with different teams. Now, within your workspace, you'll need to choose the specific board where you want to add a new list. Go ahead and click on the board that suits your needs. Once inside the board, if you're new or even experienced, it's understandable that all the options can seem a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, adding a new list is incredibly straightforward. In your board view, you'll see a button that says Add Another List. Click on it. This action will open up a space where you can type the name of your new list. Naming your list accurately can be a game changer in keeping your board clear and effective. So take a moment to think about the purpose of this new list. A clear, descriptive name will make navigating the board easier for you and any collaborators who might be working with you. Once you've chosen the perfect name, simply hit Add List. Congratulations, you've just added a new list to your Trello board. Now you can start adding cards, which represent individual tasks or items. These cards can be moved between lists as your tasks progress, making it easy to keep track of your project status. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to add a new list to your Trello board, setting the stage for improved project management and organization. Whether you're managing a complex project or just keeping track of your personal to-dos, this simple skill will undoubtedly enhance your productivity on Trello. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.